Ready to unlock a revolutionary way to create viral YouTube Shorts? Today, we're diving deep into Google Veo, a powerful tool that's changing the game for short-form video creation, so get ready to boost your content. First, start by crafting a detailed text prompt describing the scene, action, and style you envision for your short. The more specific, the better the result. Next, Google Veo will generate multiple video options based on your prompt, allowing you to preview and select the one that best matches your creative vision. Now, the magic happens. Use Veo's editing tools to trim, crop, and refine your video clip, focusing on the most engaging moments to capture your viewers' attention. Enhance your short by adding music or sound effects. Veo has a library to choose from to make your video more engaging. Spice up your video with text overlays, animated stickers, or eye-catching visual elements to emphasize key points or add a touch of personality. Make sure you check your aspect ratio. Vertical format is best for YouTube Shorts. Next, adjust to a resolution that is clear for YouTube. Finally, once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, upload it directly to YouTube Shorts. Add a catchy title, relevant hashtags like hashtag YouTube Shorts and hashtag Google Veo, and watch your views soar. So, ditch the struggle and unlock your YouTube Shorts potential with Google Veo. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips to elevate your YouTube game.